Hi and welcome to this week hair tutorial video. So good to see you. I hope you're healthy and doing well in your place. And for this week hair tutorial video, I am presenting to you, or I'm gonna show you on how to apply hair color using silver gray hair color to my model. I hope you like and learn in this video. Just keep on watching and enjoy. To achieve the silver gray hair color, you need to bleach the hair first. 1 part of bleaching powder and 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide. Leave for 45 minutes, then rinse well. Rinse the hair thoroughly. This is now the result of our first bleach. For the second bleach, 1 part of bleaching powder and 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide. For silver gray color, mix the hair color cream and oxidant in a non-metallic bowl. The mixing proportion is generally 1:1. Stir thoroughly until smooth consistency is obtained. Apply the solution evenly on the hair. Leave for 40 minutes. This is now the result. Beautiful result, right? Silver gray hair color achieved! Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this video.